Hey guys, welcome back. This is T-Brom here. We're bringing you another Cyber New review. Today we're going to be focusing on the Lexma gaming kit. As you can see, it's the perfect option for anyone on a budget, sitting around $52 on Amazon. So it comes with a headset, keyboard, and mouse. I'm going to focus more on the keyboard and mouse today, but as you can tell, it's a pretty nice starting kit for anybody that's looking to start gaming. Let's take a closer look. So you can already tell that it's pretty loud. That's just because it's the membrane keyboard. Unfortunately, for anybody that's doing any type of editing like me, it makes cutting out the background noise that much harder. Let's go ahead and take it over to the mouse. Now I love the way this mouse fits in my hand. I mean, I've got all the programmable buttons, the DPI button here on the top, the scroll wheel. I've got the little side buttons here. It's got an amazing grip. It just kind of fits the thumb right there. It fits well in the hand. Same grip on the other side. And then as you can see, it just sets down and it's nice and fluid in the motion, very reactive to my clicking. Just no complaints really. Let's just go ahead and show you what it looks like when I'm playing Borderlands here. So up here you're going to have a guy on your left. Quick reaction time, not really any type of delay. Again, I'm not an esports professional, so just take this with a grain of salt. I'm sitting here fighting the badass now, and I'm doing all right. I'm not seeing any performance issues, but anybody that's looking for more of a performance-based keyboard and mouse set, Keith actually did one on the Model O not too long ago, so I'd go ahead and suggest checking that out. But because this is a little bit cheaper quality, the fact that my game performance isn't really being affected, it's better than your everyday keyboard and mouse, but it's good for that casual gamer. Now, speaking of being better than your everyday keyboard and mouse that you might use in your office, the one thing that attracts me to this keyboard and mouse set is obviously the RGB backlights. Obviously, you're getting some of the RGB lighting that you might get in a higher end keyboard and mouse set, but you're able to get that for the $50 price tag. So if I haven't convinced you yet, again, for a fraction of the cost that you might pay for a higher end keyboard and mouse, you're actually getting a fully customizable keyboard. You can do that one of two ways. You can tap that button here and cycle between red, green, and blue, or you can go and download the driveware software from the Lexma website. So you're just going to scroll down here, and you have to scroll down kind of a long ways, and it's looking for the GS300. If you want a more comprehensive view of that, I'm going to leave a link down to a written tutorial that I have. But as you can see, you can select from about 3 different types of effects. I prefer the breathing cycle. I think it looks the best. Again, that's to your preference. You can change the brightness, the speed. You can set up different profiles. You can set up the sensitivity, which is your DPI settings. But you can turn around and do the same thing with the keyboard. Now, when you switch over to the keyboard, you're going to see that seems like you have the red, green, and blue options. But luckily, all you have to do is click the synchronize button at the bottom, and it's going to sync up nicely with your mouse. So the end result is going to look like this. So again, like I said, I have it on the breathing cycle. It's nice and steady. It looks amazing. And then you're ready to just jump straight into your gaming. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that bell and subscribe. Again, if you're thinking about maybe purchasing this keyboard set, go ahead and drop a comment below. Let us know what your thoughts are. Let us know what your experience is. And again, thanks for stopping by.